We are moving past the era of reactive chatbots. Modern artificial intelligence is transitioning into autonomous, multi-agent systems. These agents do not wait for a single prompt to generate a single response. They execute long-horizon planning, call external tools, and negotiate complex system changes entirely on their own. This autonomy introduces a dangerous industry assumption: the idea that frontier reasoning models like Gemini, Claude, or GPT-5 can secure themselves after deployment. Relying solely on a foundational model's built-in intelligence for system-level security is a critical risk for enterprise deployments. Intelligence does not automatically scale into robust defense. Based on the 2026 SuperIntel paper, empirical data reveals how frontier models fail in production. First, detection. In black box testing, models achieve only a 4 to 8% vulnerability detection rate. They also suffer an alignment tax. Internal safety guardrails actually cripple their defensive capabilities. Because of these strict internal guardrails, frontier models actively refuse legitimate offensive security evaluation tasks in 2 to 3 out of every 5 runs. The third major failure mode is severe contextual confirmation bias within the LLM itself. As this scanner visualization shows, when malicious code is framed within a benign operational context, the model's threat detection performance drops by up to 93%. These empirical failures validate the core consensus from the UC Berkeley Agentic AI Summit. Building secure by design architectures is a non-negotiable requirement. Intelligence does not equal safety. Relying on an LLM's reasoning to protect infrastructure is a dead end. We must pivot to deterministic system-level engineering. True agentic security begins at the architectural layer. You have to physically restrict what the agent can access before it ever makes a decision. This diagram illustrates control and data plane separation, utilizing a Dual-LLM design. A high-privileged decision LLM must never directly ingest untrusted tool inputs, like live web pages. Instead, a low-privileged data reader operates entirely inside the data plane. It sanitizes all raw inputs first, passing only clean, structured data across the barrier to the planner. Once segmented, we must secure how agents communicate. Traditional static API keys fail completely when applied to autonomous, multi-agent delegation chains. The solution is implementing SPIFFE and SPIRE architectures to establish zero-trust agent identity. These cryptographically signed tokens must be extremely short-lived, preventing privilege escalation during model context protocol or agent-to-agent handoffs. Multi-agent systems also require explicit time-to-live budgets and hard delegation hop depth limits to stop runaway processes and infinite loops. Sandboxed execution and cryptographic identities create a rigid physical perimeter. If an LLM hallucinates a malicious plan, it lacks the authorized identity to execute it. A static architecture alone cannot predict how an agent will adapt to adversarial, long-horizon conditions. We have to stress-test the system. Traditional LLM benchmarks only evaluate static models answering single prompts. They do not measure multi-step autonomous behavior. For that, researchers at Berkeley RDI built AgentBeats, an evaluation framework designed specifically for autonomous agents. AgentBeats operates on the Agentified Agent Assessment, or AAA paradigm, where AI agents are actively evaluated by other AI agents. This stress testing uses standardized agent-to-agent and model context protocols to accurately replicate real-world production environments. It runs agents through a secure agent capture this live environment, testing against tool-based injections, poisoned context files, and multi-agent coordination deadlocks. However, this methodology exposes a critical blind spot in current evaluation methods: the inherent non-determinism of using an LLM as a judge. LLM judges suffer from severe false positive rates during adversarial evaluation. They simply cannot be trusted on their own. To solve this, the green judge agents must be paired tightly with deterministic execution verifiers. These verifiers check objective technical realities, like system exit codes and memory assertions, completely bypassing the LLM's probabilistic interpretation of the result. Without pairing an LLM judge with a deterministic execution verifier, any security evaluation is unreliable, masking structural vulnerabilities under a layer of false confidence. While AI agents naturally operate probabilistically, the enterprise policies governing their behavior must be absolute and mathematically proven. This diagram illustrates Google's Common Expression Language Formal Verification Framework. It leverages the Z3 Theorem prover to mathematically prove equivalence and validity for AI-generated Kubernetes policies before they are ever allowed to deploy. We use these proofs to establish temporal logic invariants within our multi-agent systems. A concrete invariant ensures a specific rule can never be broken under any circumstances. For example, an agent may never escalate privileges without explicit human approval. But mathematical proofs only secure the logic before deployment. We also need live runtime defenses for active operations. We implement automated runtime circuit breakers tied to deterministic thresholds. If there is an API velocity spike or an unexpected data exfiltration attempt, the system instantly revokes the agent's OAuth tokens. For accurate forensics, this requires trajectory tracing using OpenTelemetry. It records the exact prompt states, tool payloads, and policy engine decisions at every single step. Formal proofs guarantee the rules cannot be broken logically, and runtime circuit breakers backed by trace forensics ensure that any environmental anomaly is instantly contained. Securing an agentic AI system requires consolidating these architectural layers into a strict production blueprint. Layer 1 is isolating your control and data planes with a Dual-LLM architecture. Layer 2 establishes zero-trust agent identities using SPIFFE cryptography with strict time-to-live budgets. Layer 3 mandates continuous stress testing using the AgentBeats framework, evaluated strictly by deterministic verifiers. Finally, layers 4 and 5 enforce Z3-backed formal policy verification and maintain automated runtime circuit breakers powered by OpenTelemetry tracing. Frontier models provide a powerful raw reasoning engine, but you, the engineer, must build the safety framework around it. Autonomy must never come at the cost of security. Check the description below for technical implementation links, AgentBeats setup guides, and structural templates. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more engineering deep dives.